Meaning of gringo.
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 Gringo. Gringo is a term widely used in Latin America to refer to foreign, usually white, people, specifically those from the United States. The origin of the term is uncertain, but it's believed to have originated from the Mexican-American War. The term carries both positive and negative connotations depending on the context. In some instances, it may signify admiration for American culture and ideals, while in others, it may be used pejoratively to describe Americans who are seen as ignorant or insensitive to local customs and traditions. Ultimately, like many words, its meaning depends on how it's used and who is using it.